Hey, and what's up, guys? We are back again talking about the 2020 mid-engine Corvette. We have found some leaked videos, some leaked pictures. Tell me what you think of this Nürburgring video.
You ever had a dream that you could you want to
Okay, well, we are back. You guys seen the video. Exactly, tell me, how do you feel? I mean, look at the body, look at the concept. This is the best concept I've found so far of the total rendering and the final rendering of how this Zora C8 mid-engine 2020 Corvette is going to look. We got the large scoops. We already know it's mid-engine. Something's going to have to, keep it cool, big breathing box. It's going to need a lot of intake, a lot of air. In the previous video we spoke of, if you check out the channel, we talk about earlier renderings of this looking a little, it's a C8, but it looks a little Ferrari-ish. A lot of people I've been seeing on my vlogs, on my channels, on my Instagram, saying it looks a lot Lamborghini-ish up front. I guess that's up to a personal opinion. Again, I'm not a specialist on this at all, guys. This is just my opinion, and of course, the last video did great because you guys fed your opinions in the comment box. These videos are going to keep coming closer to release, so please don't forget to put your input in. That way the next video comes out, other people like myself can go through and look at what you guys' opinions are and how you feel about it. I like it. I mean, I think the C7, again, a lot of people hated me when I said the value will drop, but that was my personal opinion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you.